Buckeye Fudge. Peanut butter and chocolate goodness. What can go wrong? Trust the process, believe in yourself. Now let's sweeten things up. Okay, in a medium to large microwave-safe bowl, we're going to add 1 1/4 cups of creamy peanut butter and 1 1/4 cups of unsalted butter, cut into pieces just to make it more meltable. Now, we're just going to put this in the microwave on high for about 60 seconds, and then we're going to stir it. We're just going to stir it to kind of blend it together. Going in the microwave for another 30 seconds. Let's stir this up once again. Once you see all the butter has melted, we're going to take our powdered sugar. I have 4 cups of powdered sugar here, and we're going to slowly whisk it in. Okay, this is getting pretty thick now. We're down to our last bit of powdered sugar. I'm going to switch back to my spatula to stir it. Dump in the last bit and just gently stir this in. It gets pretty tough towards the end. Now that it's all come together, we're going to grab a 9x9 pan, and you can line it with butter, cooking spray, just to make for an easy release. I also put parchment paper down so I can take it out easily and cut it into squares. So we're just going to put this peanut butter mixture into this pan, smooth it out till it's all even within the pan. Almost has like a Play-Doh kind of feel to it. Okay, that'll do. We're going to set this aside. And now we're going to have a small bowl of chocolate chips. These are your semi-sweet chocolate chips. I have 2 cups of chocolate chips in here. And we're going to put 2.5 tablespoons of butter into this mixture. And I'm just going to cut it up into smaller pieces. And we have 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk. We're just going to add the sweetened condensed milk to the chocolate chips. And we're going to microwave this on high for 45 seconds. We're just going to stir it. Okay, we stirred it a little bit. Now we're just going to go ahead and put this back in the microwave for another 30 seconds on high. Stir it up so it's nice and smooth. Okay, now once we've got all the chips that are melted, it looks smooth, the butter is melted, we're going to bring our peanut butter back over, and we're going to put the chocolate chip mixture on top of the peanut butter. We can just spread this evenly. All right, got it all smoothed out. Now we're going to go ahead and put this in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Got the Buckeye Fudge all ready and done. I took it out of the pan and I cut it into small 1-inch pieces. They're very rich and decadent, so a small piece like this will be just fine. This will be great for parties and just snacking. So let's see if David will like them. David, I got some snacks or some treats.
Oh, fudge.
Yeah, it's peanut butter. It's called Buckeye Fudge, but it's peanut butter.
So I need to hold it up so I can see it
See it.
the whole time.
Yes, and that layer of chocolate on the top.
Is that fudge too? Or
no,
is that just chocolate?
Well, it kind of is. It has sweetened condensed milk in it. So it's very rich, very sweet. To me, it resembles a peanut butter cup, but
Very rich.
yes.
I've always got to get my comment right. Not a big fudge fan. Never have been. I don't like super sweet things. This isn't overly sweet. I mean, I've had peanut butter fudge that was like all powdered sugar, and it was just heavy. This is okay. Chocolate really stands out in this. Like strong.
Thick layer, yeah.
You could go with half a layer of chocolate.
If you
I'm
prefer.
not a big chocolate man, so you do you. It's good. I like it that it's not overly sweet. That's really awesome.
It's great for.
And you made a lot of it.
And it's super easy. Super easy to make.
Is it? Mm-hmm. It's something weird about the peanut butter, though. What's in that peanut butter?
Powdered sugar.
I don't know how you made it, so I don't know.
It's powdered sugar, butter, and vanilla.
Butter. Yeah, it's not overly sweet. It's weird. Like if you had that peanut butter fudge from when you were in school, it's like really crazy sweet, but it's delicious, This isn't like that. It's good.
It's good.
Yeah.
It's creamy.
It's delicious.
It's very good.
It's delicious.
All right.
You gotta try it.
Yes. Trust the process. Believe in yourself. Have a great day.
Good day. Have a peanut butter day. Have a peanut buttery day.
Peanut butter day.
Yeah, delicious.
Yeah.